Standing high above the skyline of Manhattan, Central Park Tower is not just a building. It is a symbol of modern ambition, extreme luxury, and the race to touch the sky. Rising to an astonishing height of 1,550 feet, Central Park Tower is the tallest residential building in the world. Located at 217 West 57th Street, along the famous stretch known as Billionaires Row, this skyscraper overlooks Central Park and reshapes the skyline of New York City forever. The story of Central Park Tower begins in the early 2010s, when Excel Development Company, led by developer Gary Barnett, envisioned a structure that would surpass every residential tower before it. The goal was clear: create a building that combined record-breaking height with unmatched luxury. To achieve this, Excel assembled air rights from neighboring properties, allowing the tower to rise far beyond traditional zoning limits. Designed by Adrian Smith plus Gordon Gill Architecture, the tower was engineered to be both slender and powerful. Its sleek glass facade reflects the sky during the day and glows softly at night, giving the illusion that the building almost disappears into the clouds. Despite its height, the tower maintains a refined elegance, avoiding excessive ornamentation and instead letting scale and proportion speak for themselves. Construction officially began in 2014, and it was anything but simple. Building a super-tall structure in the heart of Manhattan required deep foundations drilled into bedrock, advanced wind-resistance engineering, and the use of tuned mass dampers, giant mechanical systems near the top that counteract sway caused by strong winds. At such heights, even gentle breezes can move a building several feet. By 2020, Central Park Tower reached completion. It contains 98 physical floors, though the numbering goes much higher, a marketing strategy common in luxury towers. Inside are 179 ultra-luxury condominiums, each designed to offer breathtaking views of Central Park, the Hudson River, and the Manhattan skyline. The residences begin high above the street, ensuring privacy and unobstructed views. Floor-to-ceiling windows, custom Italian kitchens, marble bathrooms, and private elevators define the living experience. At the very top are the tower's crown jewels, multi-level penthouses valued at tens of millions of dollars, some among the most expensive homes ever listed in the United States. But Central Park Tower is not just about private residences. Its massive base houses a flagship Nordstrom department store, anchoring the building commercially and integrating it into the daily life of the city. This mix of luxury retail and residential living reflects a modern trend in skyscraper design. Residents enjoy an exclusive lifestyle supported by world-class amenities: a private club, ballroom, state-of-the-art fitness center, spa facilities, a 60-foot indoor pool, and dining spaces suspended high above the city. Everything is designed to feel secluded, calm, and elevated, literally and figuratively. Despite its grandeur, Central Park Tower has also sparked debate. Critics argue that super-tall luxury towers cast long shadows over Central Park and symbolize growing inequality in global cities. Supporters, however, see it as a triumph of engineering and a natural evolution of New York's skyline, a city that has always pushed architectural limits. Today, Central Park Tower stands as a defining monument of the 21st century. It represents wealth, innovation, controversy, and vision, all stacked vertically into a single structure. Whether admired or criticized, it is impossible to ignore. High above the streets of Manhattan, Central Park Tower watches over the city, silent, towering, and unapologetically bold.